Let's look at this question number 39 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. Analysis of a hydrocarbon shows that it contains 0.93 gram of carbon per gram of the compound. The mole ratio of carbon to hydrogen in the carbon is given that H is equal to 1.0 and C is equal to 12. Option A, 1:1, B, 1:2, C, 2:1, D, 2:3. Now, how do we go about this? Let's pick this one by one. We say that the analysis of a hydrocarbon, whenever you hear the word hydrocarbon, it simply means that you're talking about hydrogen and carbon. Now, the analysis shows that 0.9 gram, it contains 0.9 gram of carbon. So for this carbon, we are going to have 0.93 gram of carbon per gram. Per gram, whenever you hear the per gram, it simply means per 1 gram. So 1 gram of the compound. So if there is 1 gram of the compound and 0.93 is carbon, the remaining should be hydrogen because it is hydrocarbon. So that remaining should be 1 minus 0.93, and that will be what? That will be 0.07. So how did we get this 0.07? By simply saying 1 gram of the hydrocarbon minus what is carbon there, which is 0.93, you get this 0.07. So that is what we have. Now, in order for us to know the mole ratio, we need to divide through by the smaller one in order for us to know the mole ratio. But before we divide through by the smaller one, to convert the gram to mole, we need to divide by these numbers as is given here. So for carbon, the atomic number and the mass number for this carbon is 12. So we are going to have 0.93 all over 12 in order to convert it to mole from gram. Then this one, the mass number is 1. We are going to have 0.07 all over 1. The atomic mass is 1. So if you do 0.93 over 12, what are we supposed to get? If we do 0.93 over 12, we will be able to get 0.0772. Then if you do 0.07 over 1, we still get 0.07. So that is what we get. Now, to get the mole ratio, we need to divide through by the smaller one. The smaller one here is 0.07. So if you do this 0.0772 all over 0.07, then you also do 0.07 all over 0.07 because you are dividing by the smaller one. So if you divide this, you're going to have 1. If you divide this, you're also going to have 1. So we have 1:1 as the ratio. So the answer becomes A, 1:1. So you can see the process that we went through in order to arrive at this. First of all, the quantities given to us are in grams, so we'll convert to mole first by dividing by the atomic masses of the different one, and the atomic masses are already given. For hydrogen is 1, for carbon is 12. So divide the 0.93 by 12 and 0.07 by 1. Then anything you have, check for the smallest and divide through by the smallest, then you get the actual ratio. So that is how you solve this. Thank you.